Hey, are we live? I think we did. Nice, nice. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so today I don't have that much time because I have to go to work in an hour-ish. But I still wanted to do a quick work in the morning. Would be nice. So the objective for today will be to do the inputs for mobile, so the touch inputs, because right now we have like the controls in editor like WASD with the mouse wheel, but the final game will be on mobile, so we're not gonna we're gonna need to have some inputs mobile, which makes sense, obviously. So yeah, so that's the objective for today. So I hope I'm gonna have the time to do it in an hour. So let's get to it. Okay, so that's pretty much where we were last time. I didn't add anything. I'm just gonna look at how I did it before, but I'm pretty sure like just getting the touch input. And first, I want to do it with the mouse first though, so we can test it in the editor without like having to push the game on the phone every time. So for that, I'm just like gonna enable the mouse cursor, and then so we're gonna be able to use it. So in the player controller, show mouse cursor, boom, and enable click events. It's gonna be useful later. Mouse over, I'm not sure if, well, actually, I'm gonna leave it off for now since it's gonna be useful only later. The mouse click events. Okay, so now we should have the mouse cursor. Yes, it doesn't work anymore, so that's good. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Hmm. Okay. Just want to see. Action touch. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's go with that. Project settings, we're gonna add some touch inputs. Action mapping. Input touch 01. It's gonna be the left mouse button, and also, oops, not this one here, and also it's gonna be the touch one input, and then there's gonna be the input touch 2, which we're gonna use for the zooming and maybe some other action after. So yeah, for now I'm just gonna maybe map it to the right mouse button. I'm not sure it's gonna work. Pretty sure it's not gonna, but whatever. And then I wanna add it like touch 2, 3, and 4 or something. So it's not gonna break like if the user has multiple finger on the screen. 2, 3, and 4, maybe 5, whatever. Just I want to be able to like if the user is moving with his finger, if another finger touches the screen, stop moving and do something else or something like that. We'll see. Mostly it's just first version. Okay. So these are the inputs. Okay. So in the phone, it's gonna let me see input touch 01, input touch 02. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I think we're gonna save these touches somewhere. I don't know if this is something I created. I'm pretty sure this is something I created. So we're gonna go back here and create another structure which will contain all the info from our touches. So as touch, and there need multiple variables. We're gonna need touch index. I don't know if there's like, I don't know if I'm gonna need these. I'm sure I'm gonna need these two. First of all, I'm gonna start with the simple. So it's gonna be vector to these, and it's gonna be like the position of the finger on the screen. So the start position when the user touches the screen for the first time, the current position, which is the current position, and the previous frame position. In case we need it to generate some data and stuff. I'm not sure we're gonna need it, but maybe. And then there was something I had in my other code. We're gonna wait before doing that because it's not useful right now. Okay, good. Okay, so in the pawn we're gonna have like our two touches. Touch one, which is gonna be touch, and then touch two. Same structure. That's good. Okay, so if touch one is set, so set number and touch. When touch one is pressed, we want to have the position of the touch and set it. Ooh, the screen just turned yellow. That's so weird. Display settings. It doesn't want to show up. That's weird. Okay. Good. Okay. So how to get the touch? We can do, if it's either the mouse position or the touch position, we're gonna need both. So get mouse position, get, I think this is in the player controller. So we're gonna need pick and play, get player controller action. PC. Okay, and this one here. See, so we have the player controller here. Get cursor. Get mouse. Get the mouse position, or get touch state, which will, for now, it's going to be the touch one. And we're gonna need to decide which one to use. I don't know if this is gonna work if I use mouse position. Not associated with a mouse device. It'll work. Actually, I think it should work. So if I do a select here, I'm using this. Or actually, maybe we can have the current platform saved somewhere. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, whatever. For now, it's not gonna be that bad. So, if there's a mobile device, we're gonna use a touch device, a mouse device. Sorry. If we have a mouse device, we're gonna use the mouse position. If we don't, we're gonna use the touch position instead. That's good. Okay, so this, and then this, because the user just started to touch, so everything is at the same position. That's good. Okay. That's pretty much it. Actually, might also need to do the same thing for here when the touch is released. But we want to keep track of the last touch, maybe. I'm just gonna add it for sure. When touch. So this is gonna be the end, which is gonna be the same thing. Okay. I think I'm gonna make it cleaner a little bit by just collecting that into a function. I'm gonna want to be able to pass this as input, so I'm just gonna add a reroute node just like that, so I'm able to just collapse to function, get touch location. I can make it pure for now. If it becomes a performance problem, we're gonna be able to revert it to an impure function, something like that. So finger deck, touch one, that's it. That's good. So then we can use the same exact thing for the touch 2 and everything. That's good. Actually, we can do it right now. Touch 2. Oof. Touch 2 instead of touch 1. And then the finger can be finger 2. Okay. Not bad, not good. Okay, so now we have the inputs. Actually, we have like the position of the fingers. Now we have to decide what we want to do with that thing. So, before applying the zoom, I guess we're gonna be calculating depending on the fingers. In case they were not, because like here they were calculated using like the input on the keyboard, but then we want to do the same thing for the fingers. And since the finger moves every frame, we want to do it before applying. I'm just gonna separate it with the sequence just to make it obvious that it's two different steps, even though it leads to one result. Whatever, it's just me. Doesn't matter. You can put it before, however you want. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna need a way to detect if the input is valid or not, because since we're just rewriting every time these values, doesn't specify if the touch was started or ended. Yep. I think I'm just gonna add that right now. I'm just gonna add the enum there. Yeah, I really gonna have to clean that up after. Touch state. I think. What am I gonna add in there? None. If the finger is not on the screen. Touching. Maybe. Moving. Yep. I think that's it for now. Okay, so here we want to add it in the structure too. So state add it in first. By default, it's gonna be none, which is perfect. That's good. Here we want to set the touch state to something. So it's gonna be touching. And when we stop touching, it's gonna be back to none. Something for these two. So touching, and then state back to none. Okay. Good, good, good. So now here. Update touches. This is gonna update like the current position of the touch in the touches themselves. So I'm just gonna do this. Play action break switch. So we don't want to do anything if it's none, but if it's touching or moving, we want to do something. And then we're gonna keep this. And then set number and touch. We're gonna set the previous touch, and then we're gonna set the next touch. The current touch. So the previous touch is gonna be the current before we set it to the next value. And then we're gonna do another set member on this structure, and then we're gonna get touch location to get not the previous but the current. Ooh. Here we go. So now we have the inputs. Touch one, set it. We're gonna have sequence here because we're gonna do the same for the input. The touch two. Okay, second touch here, touch two. Okay, and finger next two. Good, 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 good. Okay, so I think that's good. Can check if it works. I'm just gonna update the touch here and the tick, and then I guess we can just like break this, print the value of the current. I guess we can do that. Yeah, so that's good. The value changes if I move while I'm touching. If I'm not touching, it doesn't change, which is good. Okay. Good, good, good. So now we have to edit the location we want to move the camera. So, compute location, something like that. Now we're just gonna go with touch one, like this. If the state is moving, actually, we never set it to moving. Maybe we should. For now, we're just gonna let it touches. We're gonna just gonna set it to moving right here. Move it. Compute location. So if it is moving, we want it to affect the location. The reason why I had it like a moving condition and stuff, it's because later we might wanna like add a little buffering zone. We don't wanna start to move as soon as the finger touches the screen. We might want to like add a little buffer around the mouse, so if the mouse, like the finger doesn't move, actually it will probably become like a tap or a hold action instead of like a move action. Yeah, that's the idea behind all that. Okay, so if it's moving, we're gonna add desired location with the values of the mouse, mouse or touch. So get the touch, break the touch, get the difference between the current and the previous touch, because this will be the delta. And that's pretty much it. Let's see how it goes. Multiplication. Here we go. Here. Okay. Right, left are weird. Up, down are weird. Okay, for some reason these are inverted. Oh yeah, because the screen coordinates and the world coordinates are different. The X and Y are flipped for some reason. So I'm just gonna split this, YX. That's good. It should be better. I think this is what it's supposed to do. If I push down, it should go up. That's normal, I think. That's good. That's wrong. Yeah. I'm gonna have to flip the up down, which is, I think, let's see, minus y, network, left, right. Actually, not sure. Whoa. Okay, something exploded somewhere. Should actually be the same speed. That's weird. It is weird. What if I do something like that instead? Okay, that's fair. Yeah, that makes more sense. Good, good, good. Okay, great. Seems fine. Not perfect, but good for now. Good, 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 good. Okay. So now, whoa. Yeah, that's bad. When the touch RF screen breaks everything. That's a bit weird. Hmm. But whatever, it won't happen. Actually, it might. If like I just lose con. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. That's interesting. Might actually wanna fix that somehow. Huh. That's weird. Yep. That's a weird bug that we are going to have to fix in the future. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna add that in my list because I don't have an idea how to fix it right now. And cursor window, no, it's focus, explodes. Touch, explodes. Good, good, good. Okay, so here we go. We have our movement. Yay! Kind of. Whatever. It's good. Okay. So. The next step will be to do the zoom. I'm gonna just have a new function. I'm gonna do zoom. In this function, we're gonna need two fingers, which cannot be tested on a ready computer, I think. Too bad, I guess. Yeah, I guess too bad. We might be able to do a little something. Right click and then, might actually be able to do something. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, so in the touch one, we're gonna need touch one and touch two. Like this. So not moving, but it's equal to moving. And the touch two is not equal to none. Actually, not equal. None. Donc, if we have a touch one and a touch one that is moving and a touch two that is not, it should be fine. So n, and we want to do the same thing but the opposite, I think. So if the touch one is not equal to none and the touch two is moving, that should work too. So if we have two touches but only one of them moves, it's fine. If both touches are on screen and they move both, it's gonna be fine too. So that's good, should work. And then we're gonna need to break this again to have the current and previous of each. So I want to have like the distance. The distance between the two current and the distance between the two previous location. I'm gonna subtract them together. And I don't know why I was multiplying it by like a small value. We'll see. We'll see. This is probably like the zoom speed or something that we're probably gonna have to adjust it later, or like put it into a variable or something. Okay, so this should be the zoom. Not sure this won't work on Windows though. Maybe we can do something where the mouse doesn't move. The right value doesn't move if it's on Windows. The right value, the right click value, so the touch too. First of all, I'm gonna put this into the tick before I forget. This should be the tick. The touches. So. So. If it's on Windows, maybe we don't want to update the touch to position. Can try that actually. How did we detect if it were on Windows? Yeah, close, get mouse position. So I'm just gonna try this. Not sure it's gonna work though. Not sure. But maybe it will. Okay, so I can move and oh, that's actually not bad. It's not great. But that's actually not bad. It zooms. Yay. There's a way to test the zoom on Windows. Yeah, it's not pretty. That's yeah. Yeah, we have to disable the moving while we zoom, because otherwise it's like it becomes a big mess like that. Okay, so we can do that. Okay, this is temporary, I think, or not. We'll see. We'll see. Windows. Windows. Okay. Okay, so how do we start moving? Okay, so it will be an update location here. If the touch one is moving and the touch 2 is nothing. If the touch 1 is moving and touch 2 is nothing, we want to move, otherwise we don't. Oh yeah! So I can zoom. Nice. Yeah, it breaks a bit, but whoa. Okay, so the zoom is working, the move is working. Yeah, it does a weird, like, it's not perfect on Windows though, but I don't think it will be a problem. Actually, yeah, we should test it on the mobile device. I don't know if there's a way for me to share you screen, my phone. I don't know. File package Android. Actually, probably just want to launch it. Unreal detects my phone. Hey, Unreal. Let's go, we can do it. Good, thanks. Oh damn. Has to recompile everything. Oh, it's gonna take a while. Oh, not cool. Not cool. Okay. In the meantime, what can we do? We could probably add like a little buffer zone when we try to move. Oof. Or maybe fix that bug. That's annoying. That's weird. Um, whoa. Okay, that's cool. Oh, damn. Maybe we can just package instead. I don't know if it's gonna be shorter or not. Oh, it seems better. Doesn't seem to have to. Yeah, only have only has like 90 shader to recompile instead of like 4000. Okay, that's a bit annoying, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, is there a way to detect if the viewport has the focus? Before viewport focus. Your control maybe? Focus. Set user focus, clear focus. As input focus. No, it's the Oculus thing. Yeah, no, doesn't seem. Yeah, it's not called focus at least. If there's something somewhere. Open. Oops. And install the current version. Install the new version. So slow. Okay. Oh. What? What? The package didn't work. Why? That's weird. It says that I don't have all the stuff I need to run the app. And I don't have like an an Android key to go download it somewhere. That's interesting. That's weird though. Install it again, maybe. Hmm. Okay. No. Hmm. No OBB found. Why? Before, no OBB found. Uh, can probably blame it on the crash I got. I don't want to have to repackage everything though. Oh. Okay. I probably have to repackage everything. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna delete this, cache intermediate, just to be sure. There we go. It's gonna take a bit though. Hmm. Trying to figure out if it's possible to detect if the viewport has the focus, but doesn't seem to be possible, or I don't find it. Yeah, actually not in Blueprint. Huh. Yeah. Hmm. That's annoying. It's weird that it's not something not available in Blueprint though. Oh, could be. Could be. There's probably a way. Please work. Yeah. Here you go. That's so stupid. Okay, so the move works. Oh, it seems pretty good. Yeah, the move is pretty good. What about the zoom? Okay. Hmm. The zoom is pretty broken actually. It doesn't really work. Actually, the same. It's pretty much the same thing as I have on Windows though. So it should be easy to fix. Like if I zoom, it inverse somehow when I go in the same direction. Yeah, it's weird. So weird. Okay, what did I do wrong? It was a bit too big. It broke out the setup and stuff. The Windows setup. Okay. Okay, so why is it not working? This is the location. I don't care about the location. This is not useful. Okay. And zoom. What did I do wrong? The zoom. If it's moving and not none, or if it's moving and not none. Let's go to the zoom. That's good. Distance between previous and previous, and current and current. I don't remember why I did this last time I tried this. That's interesting. Interestingly annoying, but sure. But interesting. So adding the zoom, not big deal. I don't know why I had a clamp here. Maybe it's because it will cause what's causing some issues, maybe? Not sure. No, it's the same thing. Maybe it just prevents it from exploding more, but still. Why it goes back and then goes up? So weird. Okay, what is the value I'm giving? So 0, then I go right, minus, 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 minus. Somehow it goes back in positive. Negative, positive. The values are fine. Like it didn't, actually the values don't make sense. So this doesn't make sense. So what I want is for the zoom, it's the distance between where they started and where they ended. Actually, yeah. Isn't it the position where they started? Maybe I'm just gonna try that instead. So where the input started, the distance between where it started and where it is right now. Or is it the distance? I'm gonna try this and then we'll see. This, maybe add them together. Divided by no amount. Whoa. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, yeah, because it's the distance, so it always goes up. It's not really the distance I want, it's more like the difference, maybe. I want the difference. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, it does the same thing though. It's weird. Why? Hmm. Yep. I don't understand. Okay, so how do we figure this out? So we have, let's say, one touch here, one touch there. This touch is going this way. We want to increase the zoom, but if it's going this way, decrease the zoom. It's the distance between these two that matters. If the distance between the two fingers is smaller than the distance between the two fingers from last frame, it goes smaller. Yeah, so it makes sense. So the distance, of this frame, the start, not the start, the distance between this frame, the distance between the two fingers from this frame and the distance between the two fingers from the previous frame, add them together, whatever. Yeah, if we add them, it always goes this way. Subtract them. If I go left, why is it working now? If I go right, I don't get it. Because it's working now. I didn't change anything. Did I? What was I? Oh, it's using the current. That's odd. It should not work, actually. Yeah, now it's broken. That's weird. Current, set in previous, moving. But it doesn't update if it's on Windows. Huh. Actually, if it's touching, we want to go, but if it's moving, we don't. Okay. Nope. So weird. This is good. Can I try again on the phone, maybe? That's weird. I'm gonna just remove that thing. This, yeah. Should work. It should work. I really don't understand why it doesn't work. And I don't have much time left. No. Allez. Okay, so. Oh no. It broke the. What? The package is broken again. What the hell? That's so weird. I had a problem like that before. Maybe I have to delete this. There's like a little something here because we don't want to like if the state is touching, we want to turn it to moving, but we don't want to do that every frame. Oh, the current thing, we want to set it all the time. I'm not sure it's gonna do anything, but just logic problem here. Because the state is already moving, so we don't want to set it to moving again. Not sure it really matters though. And then here, we don't care about the current, we just want to set it to moving. And the same for up here. If it's not moving, I'm gonna set it to moving. For the touch one. Okay, so is it working now? It worked. That's a bit annoying. Whoa. Okay, I have a bunch of navigation bugs. That's not good. The move is good. I don't know why the zoom is like super bad. It's probably because maybe it uses the mouse position on the device. That will be weird. Let's see if I go back down here, hit touch location. I'm just gonna use the touch for both. Actually, instead of doing that, I'm just gonna do false, so it's always gonna use the touch, so it should not work anymore on Windows, which is good. The package is annoyingly broken, so I'm just gonna delete binaries and then I can repackage again. For next time, I'm just gonna launch first, so then we can just launch every time instead of packaging. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Okay, please work. Ah, it's all smooth now. Okay, so this is bad. Okay, so I don't know if you will be able to see, if you can see, but here we go. When I move, it moves. Like in the editor, and then the zoom, like, it's hard to do this way. So yeah, I'm able to zoom and move. Good, okay, that's a bit annoying. So that means that the condition, like a cell phone is considered to be a device that has access to the mouse position. That's a bit annoying. Okay, okay. So then we should have our own condition just to make sure it works. Just gonna do it real quick then. I guess get platform name. It's gonna be super cheap for now, but whatever. Equal case insensitive, just in case, Windows, and plug it in. So if it's Windows, it's gonna use the mouse. If it's not, it's gonna use the top one. It's super cheap. But it should work. Just gonna detect if condition is working. Yeah. So on Windows, it's using this. The zoom doesn't work really on Windows with the mouse, but I don't actually care because anyway, I have the mouse wheel, the scroll wheel on Windows, so whatever. And the problem is just like on the device. The zoom is working on the device. The problem is just on Windows, so that's good. So compute zoom. My nuts were good here. It's a bit annoying that we wasted that much time on this, but whatever. Okay, flash that. Okay. So do this. Oopsie. There. So that's good. That's good. The 0.5 here is a bit weird, but whatever, it should be fine for now. Okay, so we have the move and the zoom using touches. That's actually good. Remove that thing for Windows because it's not necessary. Okay, okay. Touch one, touch two. That's good. Yeah, I don't have I don't have any time left. No, no, no. Okay. So this is what we have right now. Able to move and zoom using the fingers. It's a small improvement. It's not great for now, but it's a good start. Yeah, I would have liked to be able to do the tap action and hold maybe, and I don't know, do some different action instead of like not only just moving and touching. But whatever. Is there something quick that we might want to do? This is gonna take a little bit of time, so no. This is none. Setting the end. Start. That's good. That's good. Seems all right. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to stop pretty much here. That's a bit sad, but so it's moving. Uh, yeah. Yep. So yeah, I guess that's it. I'm just gonna close everything, and I'm gonna try to figure out why it bugs every time I try to package. I'm just gonna try to package again just to see, but if I don't delete the binaries folder, it bugs. I think it's for the 25 bugs. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna have to let you go. Actually, I'm gonna have to leave. You can go if you want, or you can stay, whatever. But I'm gonna have to leave for now. Yeah, and I should be back in the next few days, probably, and we're gonna continue working on that. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, bye bye, have a nice day, and see you tomorrow or the day after. Bye bye.